I ended up conducting a training via Zoom this morning for my company, and I ended up putting makeup on it for it. And I basically said to myself, why waste this makeup? Let's film a video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jess, and today we are filming a what I bought during quarantine video. And as I'm sure most of you have been doing, sitting on the couch and buying things online because we don't have much else to do. So I have about 6 items I wanted to share with you guys today that I am super excited about. I bought them from a wide variety of websites. There's some clothing, some beauty, and also a piece of filming equipment for my new YouTube channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you like it, and join me on this YouTube journey that I have embarked on during quarantine. Without further ado, let's get into it. So my lights decided to cut out right at the end of my intro, but we are back in action, and let's talk about our first product. I am going to insert a little unboxing, and please don't judge me. I got these packages, but I wasn't quite ready to film a full video yet, but I couldn't wait to open them. So I had just finished a long day of work and I don't look too pretty, but here we go. First product, as you saw from the unboxing, is from Free People, which is one of my all-time favorite brands. I love their style, and sometimes it's a little pricey, but honestly, most of the time I think the quality justifies the price. And I found an old Free People gift card in my email that I never used, and I was like, Jess, treat yourself to something cool. And this is what I picked up. It is a super cute tie-dye long sleeve shirt with this little mock neck detail, and it is the We the Free tie-dye tee. This color is the Cabernet combo, which unfortunately I don't think they sell anymore, but there's a lilac one and one other color option still available that are still super cute. I love the material on this. It is a really soft cotton, and I thought this would be cute to wear as like a little pullover on a cold summer night, or it would be cute tucked into a pair of jeans, or even like tied up on the side just to add a little extra shape. I got it in a size small because I feel like Free People clothes run really big, but it still has that cute oversized look, and I really like it. It was worth the purchase. My next clothing item that I bought, I also have a little unboxing video for, so I will insert it here. And this shirt I picked up from the website Rue La La, which if you haven't heard of Rue La La before, it is a discount designer website. So you can get things like Free People, Splendid. They have really high-end luxe brands on there sometimes, like Chanel, Fenty, BCBG. They'll have purses, shoes, home goods, lots of really high-end beauty products too, from like La Mer and other brands like that. But this top, I could not resist. It is so cute, this little tie detail, and it has a deep plunging V-neck, and I thought it would be really cute with a little cami underneath it or with some high-waisted pants. And I feel like you could even dress this up. It is from the brand Luna Tucci, which I have never heard of before, and unfortunately I was not able to find this top again online, but I just really liked this. It's a nice thick cotton, like woven material, and I think I will get a lot of use out of that. My mom and I are obsessed with Rue La La. I think she might get a package from them close to every single day, and I am not exaggerating at all, but sometimes I will put things in her cart and sometimes they just show up on my doorstep. And this was one of those shirts. I got the Rue La La package and I had no idea what was in it, and it was this cute Luna Tucci top. So I'm excited to wear that. Our next item is from Urban Outfitters, another favorite website of mine to shop from, which if you didn't know this, actually Free People, Anthropologie, and Urban Outfitters are all owned by the same umbrella company. So there's a little theme here with my style, but these are not the Urban Outfitters brand. These are some Calvin Klein cute jogger sweatpants. So they have the Calvin Klein detail on the waistband, the little branding, and then the ankles have the cuff, and they're just a nice, soft, heavyweight cotton jogger. I bought them right at the beginning of quarantine when my company was closed, and all I did was lay on the couch in my sweatpants and big t-shirts, and I got a lot of good use out of these joggers. They are super comfortable, and I definitely recommend picking up a pair of Calvin Klein joggers. The next item I picked up during quarantine is a filming tripod, and this one was literally $10 from Best Buy. It is from the brand Sunpack, and I got it from the curbside pickup. So I ordered it on the Best Buy website and put in my address. It connected me to the local store. I'm pretty sure I picked it up about an hour later, and I really like this. It's flexible, so I can like bend it around. There's different heights you can set it at, and you can even like hook it over stuff. I put the phone attachment on because I don't have a fancy camera that I film with, but you can unscrew this and just screw on a nice camera if you have it. So this was definitely a good purchase. And then I have two beauty products. The first you will have already seen if you've watched my nighttime skincare routine video, and that is my Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser, and I still love this product. It is an awesome morning cleanser. I use it every day. It makes my skin feel so fresh and clean. It has a nice rose scent, and I will definitely be repurchasing this product. You only really need to use one pump. So even though the bottle isn't that big, it costs $18 for this size. I believe it comes in a smaller size too, or maybe this is the small one. I don't really know, but what I know is I like this product, and you only need to use one pump because it's a really thick texture. You activate it with water, wash your face. So I think this bottle will last me a long time, and I like it. This Glossier Skeptic has been turned. I do want to try some other products from this brand too to see if I like them just as much. And then I have one more quarantine purchase to share with you guys. I know 6 items isn't that much, but your girl's trying to save for rent and grad school, so we can't go too crazy, but you know, sometimes you have to treat yourself. So I picked up the Fenty Gloss Duo. It is the Fenty Gloss Bomb from Sephora, and it comes with 2 glosses. Typically they're like $18 a piece, so if you bought both it would be much more expensive than buying 2 for $29. And I haven't tried these yet, so I thought it would be fun to open them up and try them on camera. Also love this packaging, so cool. I feel like Fenty always has good packaging. This is my first product from Fenty too, so, you know, gotta support my girl Rihanna. She's so cool, and I'm excited to test out these formulas. I just dropped them. Name one video where I haven't dropped something. I'm listening. So this Gloss Bomb Duo comes with 2 shades. The first one is Sweet Mouth, and the second is Fenty Glow. Picking up some glare, but the first one is this really pretty icy pink color. Love this pentagon packaging. And the next one is more like deeper burgundy color. So I'm just gonna do a little swatchy swatch, and then we'll try them out. Woo! Ooh, ooh, I like the applicator dofa on this. It's a nice size. Ooh, they feel nice and creamy. The top one is the Sweet Mouth shade. It's this more sheer pink. And then the second color is, let me check, Fenty Glow. So that's this darker burgundy color. They smell so good, like frosting and cupcakes and yumminess. And I'm very excited to put these on my mouth. So let's try the lighter Sweet Mouth color first. makes my lips look so plump. I like that. If you've watched my videos, you know I hate lipstick, but I can tolerate lip gloss, and this one is not sticky at all. It had a nice smooth application. And so far, Fenty is getting a thumbs up from me. Let me go wipe this off and we will try color number 2. All right, we have bare lips again, and let's go in with Fenty Glow, which is the second color in this duo, and it is this darker burgundy color. Whoops, got a little itch. I love that sound when you like pull the applicator out of a gloss bottle. It makes a little pop. It's so satisfying. Anyone else like that sound? Let me know in the comments below. Ooh. So I don't feel like this color shows up too much darker on the lips, but it does have a bit of a deeper shade. And again, I really like it. So I would say that my first impressions of my first Fenty product is good. I like them. I will definitely be wearing these lip glosses when I can leave the house and wear makeup again. All right, you guys, that is all I have today for my what I bought during quarantine video. Just a little haul for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was super fun to film, and I enjoyed trying out these glosses on camera with you. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and always remember to hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys again real soon. Have a good one. Bye.